Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer. What are the messages for you and what's going on? One call. What are the messages for Cancer? What's going on? Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the Hanged Man. Wow. I think you are in some confusion right now, Cancer. For some, you have options, yes, and you don't know which one you have to choose, and how often there is commitment is coming in your relationship. If you are waiting, definitely there is commitment is coming. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Hanged Man. So yes, again you are confused, you're feeling stuck, the Hanged Man, and you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. So but you are more concentrating on your career, especially financial career, because Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Ten of everything is about Pentacles. I think in these recent times you more concentrated on your career, creating more money, financial stability, and you're working on your financial stability. But someone is rushing to communicate with you, and you already received message for some. If not, in near future you will receive, because Knight of Swords energy, someone in rush. Then present, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Moon. I think there is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe your person is hiding something from you. There are some illusions between you and your person. That's why you are feeling stuck. Maybe you are thinking that your person hiding something from you. That's why you are holding back. You are not expressing your feelings. You more concentrating on your career. Again, Queen of Pentacles. I think you are very caring and sharing person, but now you are concentrating on your career. You are holding back. For some, trust issues also could be the reason. Then future, Knight of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups. But for some, a new person is entering into your life. For some, two persons, one could be past, one could be new. For some, only one person. It depends on your situation, because this is general reading. But this person is very romantic about you, and this person has strong emotions for you, and this person want to offer their cup of love to you. Ten of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. Yes, I think this person want to offer stability to this connection. And Ace of Cups, yes, they love you. And Ten of Pentacles, you are getting financial stability. Yes, in near future you will achieve financial stability. Your money is very, very good, Cancer. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Page of Swords, they are watching you on social media, they are spying on you. For some, your person is immature, in and out of your life. So let's see their feelings towards you, Cancer. Wow. Judgment, Knight of Cups again. Yes, this could be your person. For some, Knight of Cups, because here the Knight of Cups is here, and Judgment. They're going to be make some decision regarding this relationship or regarding you. And Three of Wands, Ten of Cups, and High Priestess. They are listening to their higher self. They're trusting their intuition. For some, your person manifesting you back again into their life. And Three of Wands. Yes, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. but they want this happiness with you. 10 of cups happiness, they want to be with you, they want family with you. Maybe they're waiting for progress in this connection. Yes, they keep waiting on you, they're still waiting on you, they're manifesting you for some. So let's see their intentions. Lot of cards. Their intentions towards you, Cancer. Wow. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius, Gemini. Queen of Wands and Seven of Cups. They are dreaming about you according to these cards. Queen of Wands, I think your person planning to take action. Queen of Wands, for some your person is very dominative in this connection. They are very aggressive, they are very angry. And the Star, the Lovers and Five of Pentacles, they are missing you right now. Five of Pentacles, they are suffering in silence. And the Star and the Lovers, there is love between both of you. And the Star, I think they see positive in this relationship and they're wishing positive in this relationship. Yes, they're waiting for positive growth. There is love, mutual love between both of you. The Lovers card is here. And Five of Pentacles, they're missing you. Yes, they are going to make action very soon, but right now they're wishing, they're hoping for the best in this relationship. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Waiting game is going between you and your person. Maybe you both are waiting on each other to make action. For some, more than one lady involved in this connection, and King of Swords under the deck, Queen of Cups and Ace of Wands. So they want to express their true feelings to you. And Queen of Cups with Ace of Wands, they are very, very passionate towards you. They are very attracted to you, Cancer, and they have strong emotions for you, Queen of Cups. They want to share their love with you. Oh, you both are on the same page. They are also wishing the Star card and you are also wishing. You both are wishing. I think you also at some crossroads. Two of Swords energy. You are very indecisive to make decision. You have to make some decision but you are feeling indecisive. And Ten of Swords energy. You still also want rebirth in this connection but you are not showing your emotions, Cancer. But you both are on the same page. Both want same thing. Yes, things are turning out into connection favor. Definitely there are some positive changes ahead. In near future there will be some positive changes will come into this situation, into this relationship. Wheel of Fortune is here. Maybe you both are waiting for the right time. Yes, you both are waiting on each other. Wheel of Fortune is here, divine timing. You both wishing, just wishing. Maybe situations are not in your hands, that's why you both are wishing for the best. And yes, you Queen of Cups and Queen of Cups, see, you also have strong emotions. I think you both are missing and thinking about each other. You both have strong emotions towards each other. Wow. I think you both are mirroring each other a lot. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Especially Aquarius, Gemini. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Cancer. Work through your fears, full moon in Scorpio. And look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Maybe you are not seeing any momentum in your work or means progress or in relationship. But look at the bigger picture. Definitely there is something big is coming. Maybe you are not seeing right now, but it will coming. And work through your fears. So if you are having any fear, you have to work through it. You have to overcome it. This is the message. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.